Alright. Egg watch. Bird 2. Flip. I guess this just happened. Whoa. Is that 3? 1. One is taken over. That's 2. Because there's 1, 2, 3 eggs still intact. So yes, now we have a... Oh, sorry about the camera work. Another bird. That one just came out, I think, man. Wow, look how weird that looks, man. Look how freaking weird that looks. Why are you so weird looking? Hope it looks better on the computer. Usually does. I can't see very well. Look, he's like still coming out of the shell, kinda. His little feet. Holy. Oh man. Oh man. Looks sick. Wake up. That is amazing. Okay.